Jessknotty.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessknotty, and today, you guys, I'm going to be working on my hair. I've been getting everyone else right for Mother's Day, and I have to make sure I'm right. Before I forget to say it, happy Mother's Day to all you wonderful mothers out there. We're going to go ahead and get into this video. A company named Croliya sent me these beautiful 14-inch butterfly locks, and that's what I'm going to be installing in my hair today. Now, they did send me 6 packs of hair, and each packs have about 12 pieces of butterfly locks. Today, I'll be using the color 1B to achieve my style. These butterfly locks are pre-looped, so there's no need to wrap any additional hair at the root. This is the front of the card that comes inside the package, which has the name of the company and the type of hair. This is the back of the card, which shows how you can contact the seller, as well as how to install the hair. This package also came with a crochet needle, so if you don't have one, you do now. And it also came with these clips that you guys can accessorize at the end of installing. Guys, my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair yesterday and I let it air dry overnight. I did these huge bantu knots and I put them down this morning and combed it all out. Right now, I'm going to do a test run to see which braid pattern that I want to follow. I know the package said to do cornrows, but I wanted to try something different and do individual braids instead of cornrows. You guys, these alligator clips were supposed to be strong and durable, but clearly my natural hair is stronger than it. But it's okay because I got backup. So this is going to be the first section that I'm going to be working with, and you guys know that I love my edge control. I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Tamer, and I'm going to mainly apply that to my roots because I won't be braiding too tight, but I still want my braid to look nice and neat. Now I'm done braiding my individual box braid. This is what it looks like. Got a few inches there. If I haven't already showed you guys, but this is how the crochet box braids look. You can adjust the beginning of the hair where the loop is. You can stretch it out a lot further than I did, but I wouldn't advise you to because it'll be a lot harder to pull it back up. This isn't so much of a tutorial, so I'm not really going to go step by step on how I crochet this hair, but this is just how I decided to install my hair. I did end up extending the loop of the crochet here before I put it on the crochet needle. As I mentioned before, this was a test run to see if I wanted to do individual locks or crochet it into a cornrow. I've actually never done individual crochet hair on my own head, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's actually real hard doing it on yourself than it is on someone else. And the next thing that I can say is when you are pulling the crochet hair through that loop, you should take your time because you will mess up the pattern that the lock has. Now I'm just feeding my hair through the crochet hair. This part did take a while, but after a while I got the hang of it.
Ice cream, my mom's sweater. Late nights, my palms with her. Umbrellas for teardrops. I love you. I fear not. Phase.
So I'm finally finished with the first one, and of course I'm happy. Everything looks good. Everything's tucked away. But you guys, I'm gonna say this right now. Do not, I repeat, do not do individual crochet hair. Like, this took forever. I'm not gonna lie. And then, not to mention, I made my box braids only got smaller and smaller. I feel like this process would have been a lot faster had I done my parts a little bit bigger. So if you do individual crochet braids, make sure you part big. You won't be spending the entire day doing your hair. And of course, I picked the wrong time of the day to do my hair. I think I started my hair around 11:55. And of course, you know, after a while I started getting tired. If you guys do y'all hair, make sure y'all have enough time and y'all start early in the day, because this was a 2-day process. After I got done doing these box braids, I did end up calling it a night and finishing the rest the next day. If you do decide to use the same method that I did, make sure you box braid your hair a whole day in advance so it won't seem like this process is taking longer than it should. It took me what felt like forever to do my box braids. I ended up doing the back of my hair a lot bigger than the front. Now I'm officially done with the box braids. It's a new day and I'm ready to start crocheting my hair. I have a total of 16 braids on my left side, 16 on the right, and 21 braids in the back. So that's a total of 53 braids. Now that's more than I wanted, but we gonna make it work. I don't know if I showed you guys a close-up of the butterfly locks, but this is what they look like. They did a real good job. Every lock looks different and the ends are not the twisted look that we're used to seeing, but it's more so a blunt cut. This is the loop that I mentioned earlier. The hair that's wrapped around it, you can push down and adjust it so that it'll be easier for you to feed it through the hair. Try not to pull it down too much because it'll be harder going back up once you feed the hair. Now I'm going to crochet the loop through my braid as I would a normal crochet hair. And I'm going to pull both my braid and the crochet hair through the loop. I feel like it gives it more of a natural look when you pull them both in at the same time rather than just doing the crochet hair. And remember, when you're putting the crochet hair through the loop, make sure you're gentle so that you're not disturbing the loops on the butterfly locks. After feeding my hair and the crochet hair through the loop, the only thing that's left to do is to feed my hair through the butterfly locks.
When you're lying with me, I just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're dripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. 'Cause I can't get enough. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. 'Cause I can't get enough. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Tell me that you read my letters. Tell me that you heard my songs. Tell me that your life is better ever since I've been gone. I really wanna let you know I never meant to let you go. I'll find a way to let you know that I'm feeling, I'm feeling. Got me in my feelings, and I found out I had demons trying to find a meaning.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but not all parts of my ends are inside of the crochet hair. So what I end up doing is When I'm crocheting my hair through the butterfly lock, I don't pull out all the way. I unlatch my hair halfway through so that I won't pull everything out. This is a protective style. I want to make sure that my ends are being properly protected so that it doesn't break off. So you guys, I am officially finished with my hair. I only used 5 packs of hair. I still had one more left. I'm loving the results, especially after I accessorized and fixed those edges. It definitely complete the style. Let me know what you guys think about these butterfly locks. If you would like to purchase you some, I will leave the link down below where you guys can purchase these locks. I want to thank Croliya for sending me these wonderful butterfly locks. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys in my next video.
Songs are about you. Tell me that your life is better.